Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. And that was all because I didn't know, I knew that I didn't know. I didn't know a lot of information. And so I would go to other people and say, how do we do this? And I would go to others and say, how do I do that? AI is that person I can go to now. When I worked for AT&T, they had 1 million employees, 1 million employees. If I wanted to do a sophisticated cost justification, I could walk down the hall and sit down with a Wharton MBA, and he would do the cost justification for me. Well, now I don't have that. I'm a solo Soho, one employee working out of my home. But now I can go to AI and say, I need to do this. How do I do it? And it actually starts answering my questions as soon as I hit the enter button. That's what's so phenomenal about this.